breaking gravity. Your whiskey sour, sir.
Thank you, it looks wonderful.
The carbon fiber layup needs to be precise at this joint.
Agreed. We must ensure the weight distribution remains optimal for the leather installation.
Every turbine blade is meticulously placed, ensuring flawless performance at 30,000 feet. Readout stable at 0.001.
Perfect alignment, well done.
Check the alignment on section Gamma 7. Looks good. Torque that connection to 50 Newton meters. Confirmed.
इंटीरियर इंस्टॉलेशन का स्टार्ट स्टाफ मेंबर्स लग्जरी लेदर सीट्स को जेट के कैबिन में लेकर जा रहे हैं। This is where we transform cutting-edge aviation into the flying mansion you see today.
Calibration reading steady at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. We are within tolerance.
Excellent work, both of you.
Achieving that flawless, mirror-like polish requires hours of precision work from our dedicated team. Ensure the environmentals are stable before we seal the bay. Confirmed, sir. Humidity is precisely where it needs to be.
The finish here is absolutely flawless, remarkable consistency. Indeed, the texture is perfect.
The gold emblem isn't just a symbol, it's a promise of unparalleled quality, meticulously crafted by the finest engineers in Britain. सभी स्टाफ मेंबर्स अपने स्टेशंस पर खड़े हैं। हैंगर के डोर्स धीरे-धीरे खुल रहे हैं। All pre-flight checks are reading green, sir. Excellent. Proceed with ignition sequence. A magnificent machine. The interior leatherwork is entirely crafted by hand, ensuring unparalleled luxury and precision. All clear on the port side, we are fully transitioned to the tarmac. Confirmed. Ready for engine start procedures. Braking gravity.